Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Welcome my lovely student to this video. Inshallah today we're gonna do task 13H page 298 page 289 sorry page 289 task 13H, and we work with tables as you know. Open the file that you saved in task 13F. So let's go open the file 13F, and then after that we're gonna sort the table with this ascending order. Okay, so let's start task 13F. I have a chapter 13 folder. Remember to make the work folder there. Open task 13F. So let me start task 13F. Here we go. This is task 13F. We read it before in the last session. We do this table. Now we need to sort it, the lower table, into ascending order of minimum temperature. So I have to sort the minimum for the minimum temperature. I have to sort it like to be descending. I have to make it like descending. So I have to select my table. Always before you do anything, highlight your data. And here we go, this option for sorting or arranging your selection with alphabetic order, ascending or descending. When I say ascending, it could be like from A to Z or from Z to A. So it depends on the data. Also, you can sort numbers to be like a minimum or maximum, the biggest number or the lowest number. So he said for me sort the minimum, right? Yes, the minimum. So I want to sort this one, the minimum, which is like the third column. This is column number 1, this is column number 2, and this is column number 3. The question said sort the minimum. So I go to minimum, and he said sort it like to be descending order. So column number 3 and to be descending, and then I click OK. As you can see, column number 3 numbers have been changed to be like descending as it mentioned exactly. And then he said for you, save the document as a task 13H minimum, task 13H underscore minimum. So I go file, file, save as, not file, save. I don't want to save that. File, save as, sorry, I have a problem with my mouse. Work folder. As I said for you, remember, IGs, always make sure that you have a work folder. And I want to name it task 13H underscore minimum, right? MIN. Yes, minimum MIN. Task 13H minimum. This is a new file name, and I save it. And then he said, sort the lower table into ascending order of maximum temperature. So again, I have to sort it, but this time I have to sort the maximum temperature to be ascending. So again, the same steps. I highlight my data. I go back again to sort. And this time I have to sort the maximum. The maximum, which could be like the second column. Column number 2. And this time it's going to be like ascending, right? Yes. Sort the lower table into ascending order of maximum temperature. So the maximum temperature, column number 2, and this time it's going to be sorted to be ascending, and then I click OK. As you can see, data have been changed to be ascending. That's it. Save your file, save your document to be like task 13H underscore maximum. The new file name, file, save as, work folder. This time it's going to be like named maximum, MAX. 13H maximum, right? Yes, it is. And that's it. Thank you so much, Aegis. I hope you got it. That is task 13H done.